Hey everyone, I'm Amanda Pasciucco, licensed marriage and family therapist, and we're going to talk about anxiety and how to manage anxiety symptoms without medication. This is not to say that medication is a negative thing for anxiety. It's just a specific video for those who want to do things about their anxiety that is maybe in addition to, or instead of, or part of their medication and anxiety journey. We're not shaming or blaming what people decide to do. So some psychoeducation about what anxiety is, what happens in the body, might be really helpful to you. If you know more about anxiety, you know more what to do with it. Also, knowing that parts of anxiety is a natural response might make you feel a little bit more normal. Anxiety is a natural response to stress. Also, maintain blood sugar levels. Blood sugar can really impact you and how you're feeling. Eat balanced meals to stabilize your blood sugar. Prioritize sleep. I'm a big sleeper, so I really enjoy getting at least 8 hours of sleep and making a routine and putting sleep literally into my calendar and schedule. So if you want to see my calendar and schedule, get the link below. However, I think it's important to consider how important sleep is and how if we're not sleeping enough, we're overwhelming our system. Exercise. Find something that you really enjoy and find a way to move your body. Moving your body is important. It naturally helps you get out some of the excitement and anxiety in your body. Yoga or Tai Chi. Something like this might be of interest to you. Movement and breath are really important to coordinate with one another. So these are practices that are passed down in their lineages for you to participate in. If you don't want any of that, you can do deep breathing yourself or progressive muscle relaxation. Deep breathing is where you inhale for a count of, let's say 4, hold, exhale for a count of double, 8, out your mouth. Aromatherapy. Some people really like things like lavender, rose, sage, these types of scents. I'm not big into scents, but I know there are a lot of people who use them, like eucalyptus, to calm down. Invest in those if you think that would help. Therapies like getting a massage, acupuncture, reflexology, cranial sacral massage. This may alleviate some anxiety symptoms. Grounding techniques like putting your bare feet in the dirt, the sand, on the ground. Doing things to ground yourself and be present to your bare feet and then go through the body from the feet all the way to the top of your head. Just relaxing and visualizing grounding energy of stability coming up through your body all the way to the top of your head. Remember, managing anxiety is more than just these techniques. However, I hope these can help you and give you things to try at home. If you like them, write what you liked below. If you have better ideas, write those too. I love your comments and questions. Say hi on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube at The Sex Healer. And also, if you're interested in more videos on anxiety, let me know. Catch you next week.